MeghalayaPost.news.
Kumshi binta ban Iman Sim Halor ka Seng Kam Lajong Kashnat Entrepreneurship Development Center EDC bat ka IQEC Jonggari Bhoi College nongpo mentarasngi kala pelong yak program Jinghikai hakabai ba Seng Kam Seng jam Lajong lane ka awareness program on entrepreneurship Halor ka phang exploring opportunities ka balai singi yak ba la pelong hari Bhoi College nongpo hagani ka sila wan bandar matalang du Abilash Baramwar badi Deputy Commissioner gari Bhoi District haringat ka jingadan lang EC Beni Principal gari Bhoi College ka kong W Block Principal Alpha Higher Secondary School nongpo ka kong W Nongkri IQEC Coordinator lemag Samla Pule na ki Jaka Pule ba fair but kinongsang snong ba fair naka Bhoi District.
But simultaneously it is also a loss for the nation, for the state, because any nation, any state can only go forward on the basis of productivity of its youth. Honorable Prime Minister of India and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya both are driven by the same vision, that youth should aspire to become job providers instead of job seekers. And that's basically about shifting the perspective, shifting how we approach livelihood, how we approach basically the entire career that is spawning in front of us. If you go to places like Gujarat, especially Gujarat and some parts of Maharashtra, you'll realize that government job is not really the most fancied career over there. It's not even a private job. Rather, it's the entrepreneurship, rather is creating their own business, is basically charting their own career, is what is most fascinating to them. In fact, so much so that the literacy rate amongst the Gujarati male youth especially is considerably lower than the other states of the country, for the simple reason because after class 12, after let's say their graduation, they drop out and they pursue their own business. So, I understand that it's easier said than done. It's easy to say that start your own business. It's easy to say that become a job provider. However, the Entrepreneurship Development Center, as I have been given to understand, is basically to provide you the same confidence. The objective of this EDC should be to provide you the necessary toolkit, and through that toolkit the necessary confidence so that you can venture out in the unknown journey. Apart from that, obviously you'll need some support in terms of capital, you'll need some support in terms of guidance. For that, again at the state level you have Prime program, you have Champion Entrepreneurship program of CM Sir, in which those who have an exciting entrepreneurial journey, they are identified, they are handheld, they are trained, and they are provided all sorts of support, which includes mentorship, which includes capital, so that the teething troubles, what we call, they are overcome. You have amazing opportunities lying in front of you. And why do I say this? Is because most of the things that you are consuming right now, apart from agricultural products, are something that you are getting from outside. In Meghalaya, we hardly have any manufacturing facility. So you can name it anything, like whether it is paper, whether it is pen. Most of the things over here which have been bought from the market, if you'll actually go to the origin, where have they been manufactured, you will see that it's outside Meghalaya. So the point is that you have an amazing opportunity because these things have not been explored here.
MeghalayaPost.news.